SEC finally serves Hex founder Richard Hart with lawsuit alleging fraud. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async. Class equals align on WP image 141 1951 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,481,178 Helsinki Cathedral 4,189,825 1280-2-300x200 JPG alt equals width equals 913 height equals 609 s RC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,481,178 Helsinki Cathedral 4,189,825 1280-2-300x200 JPG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,481,178 Helsinki Cathedral 4,189,825 1280-2-1924x682 JPG 1924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,481,178 Helsinki Cathedral 4,189,825 1280-2-768x512 JPG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,481,178 Helsinki Cathedral 4,189,825 1280-2-150x100 JPG 150 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,481,178 Helsinki Cathedral 4,189,825 1280-2 JPG 1280 sizes equals max width 913 100 WA 913 The United States Securities and Exchange Commission SEC has finally served Helsinki-based cryptocurrency developer Richard Hart with a lawsuit filed in July. According to a new court document, Hart hides out. According to court documents, the SEC had been attempting to serve Schueler for over 2 months. The latest court filing reveals that Hart, real last name Schueler, was served using a substitute service on October 31st in Helsinki, meaning the SEC was unable to physically deliver the lawsuit to Hart in person. The substitute service, in accordance with Finnish law, provides an alternative means of delivery for defendants who are hard to track down. The multiple attempts of contacting Mr. Schueler using different methods over a period lasting nearly 7 weeks have given ample time for a response from Mr. Schueler, SEC attorney Matthew Gulde stated. Over $12 million in investor funds misappropriated. Hart has been laying low since this past summer when the SEC filed the lawsuit against the crypto developer, alleging that he misappropriated millions in offerings and violated federal law through the sale of unregistered currencies. The SEC is claiming that Hart raised more than $1 billion in unregistered crypto asset securities under the vague purpose of supporting free speech. Hart, the founder of Hex, Pulse Chain, and PulseX, did not disclose that he used millions of dollars of Pulse Chain investor funds to buy luxury goods for himself, reads the SEC's original complaint. Instead of using these investor funds to develop and market the Pulse Chain network, or even to fulfill Hart's explicit statement that invested funds supported freedom of speech, Hart and Pulse Chain used at least $12.1 million of investor funds for Hart's personal luxury purchases, including a 555-carat diamond, expensive watches, and high-end automobiles, the SEC complaint reads. Nearly 1/3 of the investor funds were used to purchase the world's largest black diamond, notably dubbed the Enigma, from Sotheby's. Hart purchased the diamond for £3,161,000, $4.28 million at the time of the transaction, funding the purchase by transferring both ETH and fiat currency to Sotheby's, the complaint continues. The undercover crypto developer has since gone on social media to refer to the purchase as the Hex.com diamond after his blockchain-based entity. A flawless entity. While Hart is keeping his location under wraps, he has been particularly active on X, even publicly lauding Hex's operations as flawless, perfect, unstoppable, and immutable. Hundreds of crypto things failed and dollar billions were lost while HEX continues to operate flawlessly, Hart posted. Congrats everyone. The lawsuit seeks to protect the investing public and hold Hart accountable for his actions, said Eric Werner, director of the SEC's Fort Worth regional office. The complaint concludes in part by requesting that Hart be barred from participating, directly or indirectly, in the purchase, offer, or sale of any crypto asset security. It is currently unclear how Hart will respond going forward. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img